Hello, crafty friends. This is Betsy at I Stamp C. Welcome. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday. I want to hop in and just share some ATCs, artistic trading cards, that I made earlier today with some crafty friends at the First Love Club. It's a faithful group of sisters from all around the world, and you should definitely check it out on the link below, which I will post later. But these are 2.5 by 3.5 ATCs. I used watercolor cardstock, some honeys, and embellishment ephemeras to share what you can create. So without any further delay, I want to grab a Distress Oxidized Peacock Feathers and just dab on my craft non-stick sheet. Spritz with just water using a silicone brush. Spread it around, and if you want, spritz in a little coffee grinds in water and a little bit of alcohol. Take your watercolor paper and dab it a little bit so that it's not as wet, and dry it with your heat tool. And I have the Ranger Heat It craft tool. Move your ATC around a little bit so that, and even pick up a little bit more of the color if you'd like. Sometimes to move it along, I'll just pick up a little bit with the paper towel, dry paper towel, and then go back onto your ATC to give it some texture or dimension. Maybe spritz a little bit of that coffee stain mixture. Use your heat tool again to dry things up. Use a paper towel to clean your surface a bit. And I'm going to use my Big Kick die cut machine with an embossing folder, if you will, like so, and emboss the ATC. Whoops, quickly. With your heat tool. And then cut a piece of that to add. And use some just scrap paper that you have that you want to use. I'm using 3-in-1 to glue this together. I hope, again, you're all having a wonderful Sunday before we get back to work. Our son was visiting us for a few days and returned to his state today, and it was so sweet. We hadn't seen our son since December, and it was such a blessing to spend some time with him, even if it was just a few days. So I think I want to put that there. And in the meantime, I typically like to distress my edges a little bit, but for the sake of the video, I just want to, I could do that afterwards. I will put this lovely honey here, and I'll share more as to where this honey is from. So I've glued that there, and I will trim the excess ephemera. I will add a punch a hole, add an eyelet, and a few more things off camera, but wanted to share with you some of the other ATCs that I made earlier today. And aren't these fun? Such fun. So that's it for today. I did promise to upload more videos. I'm trying to be bolder and braver. It's such a process. But hopefully you'll like this and click on that like button. Have a wonderful evening. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope this will inspire you to create some artistic trading cards. Thank you. Have a good night.